everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today we are sitting on a beautiful terrace wearing a wrinkled dirty pant probably. I am here in Goa staying at a hostel. I'm here for technically a month. I'm doing my vacation from here in Goa. So I thought why not let me just share of what all the huge things that I packed while I'm here. And I actually brought all the things from my dorm to the terrace. So you are seeing the efforts. Without any further delay, let's proceed with a video of what all things should we start before just stuffing the bags. Make sure you like this video because your girl just made a lot of efforts while making this one. And I'm sweating also. Let's start. So first and foremost, I feel key for ladies, we should actually make a list of what all the dresses that we do need to carry and like how can we mix and match them up. You know what I mean? Like a pant with 1,000 tops. So yeah, that's what the permutation combinations should be written here, and I actually have written. I'm just like holding the paper upside down. I have written of what to wear when. Do a thing like search all the places on Pinterest or probably on Google also, and just decide what color should you wear or what are the dresses that actually match that vibe, and just pack the dresses accordingly. It actually clears your list, probably omits any confusion also. First step, you should just without any delay start making a list, which I have already done. And it's my habit to make lists for everything, such as this video also I've made a list. Go on and use your pen and paper. Coming to the second point, gather all your stuffs in one place, arrange them different, as in like all your dresses like in one portion, the electronic gadgets in one portion. The dress should have some separate categories, as in your undergarment should be one. Suppose if you're going to like the hills, so probably your sweaters should be in one portion. Try to use like some separate bags probably for those. An important category lies all your essential items, as in your shampoo, conditioner, blah, 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 all your stuff, you know, whatever you use in your daily life. And then it's so much easy to pack. Otherwise you'll just like be all over the place. After you have done that, we will come to actually the Sigma rule, which is rock and roll. I'm kidding. It's just how you fold your item. You just have to fold it. Believe me, fold saves space.
Rock and roll. That's how you remember that.
Arrange all your dresses, pick up a huge ass suitcase just like me in case, and start rolling them, folding them. Let me just bring my huge empty suitcase, which I have made it empty right now so that I can pack everything up and show it to you. So let the drum rolls begin, please. That's my huge suitcase. For the moment, let's just put them, right? Let's just stack them. So these are all the sections I have made. So basically, let's go through one by one. This is my skirts section. These two are my tops, my caps, all my pants, my dresses, padded innerwears, and my padded top, all my undergarments. Just begins the process of what did we see earlier, rock and roll. So we gotta fold each and everything and put it inside. So let's do it, right? We are left with actually my caps, so I'll just leave them on top. We are again left with my swimwears technically, so I'll just keep it on the upper lid so that it doesn't get like crunched. All the stuffs I need basically every day, as in my undies, my bras, bralettes. So I'll just leave them on top again, as it will be easily accessible for me. I'll just open it and get it out. Makes sense, right? Most important thing, which is the wallet. We have our IDs here, some cash which we should always be carrying around, all our debit cards, credit cards here, and of course my driving license. So on to our necessities we have landed. So here am I with this zipper bag which is pretty full. And actually I will just carry around all the huge bottles in some sample quantities. Anything I find will leak or has the probability to leak, since I have been a pro in like doing this packing, so I know which one will leak from beforehand. So I keep them in a like sealed container like this, and it has zero chances of leaking. So on the next note, we have a huge bag of Mamaearth from here, which is not at all sponsored, but please sponsor me, Mamaearth. We have so many things here. I don't know where to start from. All the like sample pack sizes, which I was actually talking about, that we should be carrying on some sample packs. See, like these four, just like these everything is just like this much. I don't know, so much is here, man. Like it's just like some Narnia ka door, I feel. But nonetheless, these all just go inside this, and probably it's just again like a wardrobe. So clean from outside, but like a blunder inside. That's all about this big one. We have all the Lamba things here. We have some lip balm, a lot of nude shade lipsticks from Maybelline, Nykaa and whatnot. Some locks. So if you're in a hostel, please bring the locks of your own. I have 3 or 4 of them. Just have one roaming around here. Some beautiful clips which I never happen to use anyway. I just only use lip balm, lipstick and kajal, and I'm done. So hassle free. I have a huge toothbrush which is too big for everything to put it inside, and that's what she said. This sealed bag and this one will just go inside the suitcase. This will go inside the handbag along with my electronics, which I'll just like bring out like a zillion times. On that note, we also have taken a small backpack so that we can carry it around all day, which is this cute one over here, which is actually stuffed by hand sanitizers and some tissue papers, of course. So this bag will directly go inside the suitcase. I'll probably be leaving this one like here. Randomly I'll keep my bag here, and this one also in here. And another discovery, which is this one. This has all my ornaments, my jewelries, my clips, my cottons. Even everywhere you'll find cottons, but anyway, some, I don't know, something wrapped in here. So everything comes inside this. I've taken 2 pair of I don't know, sandals. One is the black one and the other is the white one, apart from my daily slippers and sneakers. So I'll probably rest them in peace here and lock them anyway. We'll zip it up. All done. We have kept some mask, face wipes for us here, so that like it will be easily accessible. So our baggie is all ready to go around the world. Now let's talk about the electronics, which is the like unwanted part, since we always pack the electronics. We go to the airport, we gotta unpack again. So that's the sad part, but koi nahi. All the electronic gadgets actually come with the hand luggage. Apart from the drone actually goes in the check-in baggage, and the drone battery actually comes with you along. So these are the electronics that I have laid out here. Let's show you what all do I take and how do I take. So let's go. These all will actually go in here. So let's go. We have packed everything inside this. All my electronic gadgets are inside. Take my water bottle inside. And we are done to open the bag for the nth time. So for the people who are staying on the dorms, don't forget to carry this one. Yeah, it's me, and of course I've forgotten to record the outro of the video. Just as always, and so typical me. But koi nahi. If you like the video, don't forget to press the big fat like button and comment down below if you want me to make more such videos, and what else do you want to see. Jaldi se bol do. Share this video with whomsoever and whosoever you may know. On that note, let's meet again very soon. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, since you know the drill. That's the drill. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Bye. Use face wash